Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is balance, mind, body, and spirit. How do we balance mind, body, and spirit? By exercising our mind, reading the things that is going to lead us into the destination and the place that we want to go. Working out our bodies, making sure that we walk, run, jog, sit-ups, crunches to the best of our ability to work out our bodies. And then we work out our spirit by the meditation, prayer, going out into the elements life. However you communicate with spirit, that is the mechanism, that is the way that we use to exercise our spirit. I find balance between each sphere of my life. I am the master of my daily life. I make time to nourish my spiritual and physical soul. I am a being of love to the world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul. Because when you feel good, when you're happy, Aries, you light up the entire world and you make a huge difference. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.